Hello dear kids, come let's practice the sound of F. Sound of F is F for fish, F, F, fish. Its sound is touch your upper teeth with your lower lip and then blow the air. That will be fish. Frog, frog. Flower, flower. Flag, flag, flag. Fries, fries. Fire, fire. Foot, foot. Now, there is your homework. See the pictures and write the name that start with sound F. Sound. Here are some pictures given. First is 5 and 9. Which one is start with sound? Fan, sun. Which one is start with sound? Finger, leg. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.